As you have learned, many mutations are needed for a cell to become cancerous. Thankfully, getting all these mutations is not easy. It takes time for cancer to develop, and as such, cancer is more common in the elderly. This does not mean young people cannot get cancer, however. Some are already born with certain mutations, making the road to cancer shorter. The qualities of the mutations needed in a cancer cell are known as the hallmarks of cancer, and there are 6 of them. Normal cells do not usually undergo mitosis spontaneously. They need a signal from the outside that tells them to grow and divide. These signals are released when we need growth or repair. In contrast, cancer cells have acquired a mutation that allows them to keep growing without external growth signals. Our body also has signals to tell a cell to stop growing. These anti-growth signals often interfere with the cell cycle. Cancer cells, however, can acquire mutations that allow them to keep dividing even when anti-growth signals are present. A third type of signal can tell cells to commit suicide, a process known as apoptosis or programmed cell death. Such signals are typically activated when a cell is infected or damaged. Cancer cells can also ignore these death signals. Cells have a use-by date. In most cases, they die after a certain number of divisions as they become less efficient. Mutations in cancer cells can allow them, unfortunately, to overcome this limit and divide indefinitely, becoming, in one sense, immortal. All cells require a supply of nutrients, such as glucose and oxygen, to be transported to them via the bloodstream. As cancer cells divide endlessly to form tumours, they naturally require more of such sustenance. To achieve this, they can trigger the development of new blood vessels, a process called angiogenesis, in order to meet their nutrient demands. Finally, the characteristic trait of a cancer cell is its ability to invade surrounding tissue and spread throughout the body. Metastasis occurs when cancer cells break away from their attachments with neighbouring cells, travel along the bloodstream to distal sites, and form secondary tumours.